Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA.
This is how to reverse a payment on the Absa app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening your Absa app and signing into your account. Once that's done, tap on Menu. From here, select Debit Orders. Next, choose the account you want to view. You'll now see all your recent debit orders. Find the debit order you want to reverse and then tap on the three dots next to the transaction. From here, select the option to view the transaction details. Once that's done, tap on Reverse Payment and follow the prompts. If the payment is not a debit order, you'll need to go to the specific section for the transaction type. For example, go to Cash Send section for cash sent payments or the relevant section where the transaction was made. From there, find the transaction and follow the prompts to reverse or cancel if the option is available. If you don't see a reversal option, you'll need to contact Absa support or visit a branch for further assistance. And that is it. That is how to reverse a payment on the Absa app. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.